Thankfully, that driver is dispatched out of this bus depot. We spoke with her earlier on the scene. She tells me that she heard a loud noise right before she saw smoke, and with the help of a complete stranger, she was able to get everyone off that bus.
Wow.
Cell phone video recorded from a neighbor on East 55th Street. The school bus flames more visible from News Chopper 9. Frightened elementary students and their bus driver wait for help. The first student driver says she heard a loud noise coming from the bus. Neighbors did too.
My dad, who was sitting closer by the door, said that he heard a sizzling sound. And when he said that, I jumped up and ran to the door.
The Good Samaritan, a father himself.
And I began to snatch kids off as quickly and as aggressive as I could. And I could see the bus driver at the back of the line.
All 33 placed on a different bus with a scary story to take home.
Visualizing what those kids witnessed with that school bus on fire was probably something that's going to stick with them the rest of their lives.
By the look of that bus, it will definitely be out of commission tomorrow. It had to be towed away from that scene. We tried reaching out to a first student to find out what that noise might have been that might have started that fire. Their office was closed. Hey.